Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you secret tricks for power buttons. So guys, at first go to your phone settings. Now tap on the search bar and search button. Now tap on the first one, buttons. And guys, if you turn on this option and if you want to take screenshot, then you need to click power button and sound button at the same time, and then your screenshot will be taken. Now go back. Now tap on Wake Google Assistant with power button. And now guys, if you want to wake your Google Assistant with power button, then you have to press the power button for 5 seconds and then your Google Assistant will be wake up. Now go back and go to press power buttons to end calls. So guys, if you turn on this option, press power button to end calls. In this option, suppose you are in a call and you want to end the call, so you have to just press on the power button and then your calls will be ended. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.